The following portion of Living East Tennessee is sponsored by Master Foundation and Crawl Space Repair.
Welcome back to Living East Tennessee, where our friends at Master Foundation, Crawl Space and Repair have hosted a company-wide school supply and backpack drive. And here to talk with us about that and tell us more about it is my friend Johnny Mack, sales manager at Master. Thanks for being with us today.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, so school supplies, I love school supplies.
Okay.
It's my favorite time of the year, not only for myself, but it's an exciting time. It's a fresh start for the community and the students. But tell us about this drive and what sparked the initiative to do this company-wide?
Yeah. Well, Master Foundation and Crawl Space Repair, our why statement is to be a unique service company that radically serves our community. And that's not just by, installing our great products and services, but that's also helping out in any way we can.
Yes, absolutely. And so why did you decide, why school supplies?
Well, this time of year gets a little hectic for everybody. And, that was a simple way that we thought, maybe we're not going to change the world, but if we can take a little bit of stress off of some of these parents, we would be really pleased to do so.
So you got the employees involved in this, right? Like we said, it was company-wide. And tell us how the employees got to be involved in this.
Well, it was really easy. I mean, all we really had to do was ask. And we posted some, pictures around the office, some notes of what we needed. We sent out a Venmo link, if you didn't want to go out and shop, that you could still help out. And within 24 hours, we had people bringing in supplies.
Of course. It's always exciting to shop, like I said, with school supplies, I know for me, but that giving back, that makes it extra special because it's going to someone in need. And you guys partnered with some local schools to donate these.
We did.
Yes.
So one of our values is one community, and that's to be an advocate for our community, returning the blessings we've been giving. So when we met and decided this is what we were going to do, we reached out through a few contacts and were able to partner with 3 local schools and provide backpacks full of supplies for the students there.
I love that, and it just brings so much joy. It would to me to see the joy on their faces. So when homeowners think of Master Foundation and Crawl Space Repair, you obviously want them to think about this beautiful quote on the wall, to be a unique service company that radically serves our community. You want that to come to mind when they think about you guys, not just the products that you promote.
Yeah. So in our service area, we want to be known as part of the community, not just someone you call when you have issues, but someone that you can count on, with other things as well. When we see our customers think about us, we want them to know that it's not just our products and services, that it's our heart.
That's right. You live here. You have kids that go here. Your friends have children that go here. And so you are part of the community. It's not just, someone in a call center. That's right. So thank you so much for being with us today. And did you buy any school supplies?
Not yet. Not yet. Yeah, I have this weekend to get ready.
Oh my goodness. You better get ready. Get some good gel pens and stuff. Thank you so much, Johnny Mack. We appreciate it. We'll be right back.